Welcome to Quizza. Your birthday decides your dream dress and your secret kitten twin. Let's see who you really are. What will be the first month? Let's reveal it. It's June. Get excited for some amazing surprises. You've got a bold spirit and a kitten with serious attitude. Fashion meets fierce, just like you. What's the next month? It's July. So many magical surprises waiting for you. Your dress is pure elegance, but your kitten? Total chaos. A perfect balance of grace and mischief. What's the next month? It's April. Amazing gifts are in store. Your style is wild, and your kitten is a curious explorer. Which month is next? It's February. Get ready for some fabulous surprises. You walk in silence, but your kitten owns the room. Charming, playful, and everyone's favorite. What will the next month be? Let's discover it. It's January. So many magical surprises waiting for you. Even your kitten's got main character energy. Soft outside, but don't test your claws. Which month is next? It's December. Exciting gifts are coming. You sparkle, you shine, and your kitten? A total diva. What's the next month? It's September. Wonderful surprises await. The world isn't ready for this duo. You both walk like royalty, no crown needed. What will the next month be? Let's reveal it. It's May. Fabulous gifts are on the way. Creative, mysterious, a vibe no one can copy. Even your kitten's got that don't mess stare. Which month is up next? It's March. Get ready for some wonderful surprises. You break rules with style. Your kitten's probably planning world domination. What will the next month be? Let's find out. It's August. So many exciting surprises are waiting. Powerful energy. Deep thinker. You and your kitten are both wise beyond your years. It's October. Exciting gifts are coming. Chill vibes, dreamy looks, and a kitten that acts like a cloud. What will the final month be? Let's see, it's November. Incredible surprises await. You two are peace and magic rolled into one. Thank you for being a part of Quizza. So, which month are you? Drop it below. And don't forget, your kitten's watching.